my regular. I'm talking takes me better now. We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward.
Hi guys, so this young one here surprised me, and we are currently, is that person's light on? I can see in the room. He surprised me, and we are currently at a resort called Azul. Azul. Like blue. Yeah. Remember something they call him Azul? Yeah, so we are currently at Azul in Negril. The diet is off tonight. And tomorrow I'm eating. I'm gonna eat everything. Every chance I get. Every chance I get, I'm eating. What's that? Let me taste it. Sure. I've been on a diet, and right now the diet is gonna die. Let's go to slippers because I haven't really been going to all-inclusives much because we usually like to get out and explore. So I was actually pretty shocked that he carried us here, but I'm happy because it's different. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. Hi, our neighbors. All right, so this is the room. Pretty nice room. We're on the premium side, apparently. So this is I like this bathroom. This is nice. I think there's like a, but yeah, we need to find out what they would premium. We don't even care. Come on, fussy. We just want to eat food. This is the bathroom. Yeah, we're not that fussy. We just want to know that we have access to food.
Guys, I booked 2.
Oh yeah, 2.
No, I didn't make a boo-boo.
They made a boo-boo because I saw on the booking that he booked a double bed. A large double bed, which is like, yeah, but we're not fussy, and honestly, it's gonna be interesting because, you know, when we're here celebrating our boyfriend-girlfriend anniversary. So we've been together for 10 years, guys. 10 years. Been with this guy for 10 years. Look at him over there laying down. So they gave us a room with 2. Oh, I need to show his shirt. They gave us a room with 2 beds, but it's okay. We'll make it work. This is his shirt. Isn't this cute? You're a cutie pie. Look at your face. You're so cute. Stop. So I need to get one of those shirts. So I want to get one that's more like a 90s style. I've seen this shirt on social media where it's like the name is across and they have like multiple pictures. That's the type of shirt I want to get with his pictures on it. So I'm gonna one up him. You just love me with 1 picture. I'm gonna love you with 10 pictures. Alright, so we're gonna go get something to eat. Oh, this is outside. Let me show you guys. So I have like a little seating area and the chairs, and oh, this shoe's not slippery at all, and this is our view. So we came and it's raining, but the rain kind of eased up a little bit, so let me see if I can. Yeah, and then this is what our view is looking like, so it's really nice. So we're just taking a little tour of this property. So it's a beautiful green wall. We love green walls.
Prestige show as well.
Oh, so is this the Asian restaurant?
Is there a restaurant in Indigo?
Indigo.
Oh, so
it's like a bar. This looks like a bar. Nice. That's beautiful inside. Alright, so I got some food. I got a grilled chicken burger, which looks so good. What, a TV? Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I'm gonna eat this now. And what did you get, Pops?
Quesadilla.
That's one.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. We're gonna eat this and then we're gonna put our bathing suits on. Enjoy ourselves. I'm so hungry. Hi. So we're not beach people. But the sun is sunny. But thankfully the sun is out now. It was raining when we first came and the sun came out. So this one is not very happy. So we're just taking a little swim. This is my cute little bathing suit. It's so cute. I love my bathing suit. You showing that video? My cute little bathing suit. I got it on Shein. Claps. Who's that wonderful girl? I don't know anymore. So yeah, we're just getting some dinner and chilling after a day in the sea. That doesn't look bad at all. But this is the restaurant. Try not to get anybody. Really nice. This is the Asian restaurant.
Whoa! That's lots of dinner outside.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. So we are up. It's like after 7 and we are up now, ready for the morning. We're gonna go get some breakfast. I feel very rested. You feel rested? Huh? You feel rested?
Yeah.
I feel rested. I feel good. Can you guys see? You can't see me. That's my bathing suit. We're gonna go and get some breakfast. And just chill for the rest of the day. But yeah. Oh, what a beauty. A gorgeous morning, guys. Okay, so this is breakfast. I got what you can see here. So yeah. Breakfast is in this place here. They have breakfast at the other restaurant as well, but we decided to come here. This is mahogany, and there is Hakeem. A claps. So we just went and did the checkout. Overall, I think this hotel is really nice. We have to do checkout. Only thing is just a checkout thing, but the staff is so friendly, really nice, and this is some of the best food that we've had at like a resort, all-inclusive type of place. So I think those are the only things. But would we recommend persons coming here? Definitely. I think this is a really nice place. Negril hotels are usually more chill, which we don't mind. We very much prefer like a chill hotel vibe. I feel very rested. I slept so good. So my two issues were just the room, because we did request a room with one bed in it, one full-size bed. We got 2 double beds. So they didn't look at the reservation separate.
Separate double bed.
Yeah, separate double beds. And then the check-in process, you have to walk a little, which is not like a bad walk. It's like a 3-minute walk. You have to drive, and then the parking lot is on the other side. But I think that's just how hotels, especially since they don't have the space, because it's a very narrow hotel, so there's no like space for like extra stuff like big parking. So the parking is across the street, and then the checkout process, you have to go to the other side, because we were on the premium side, which is over there, and then we have to come back over to this side to check out. We didn't know one of these guys were saying hello. One of the guys was saying that we could have done pre-checkout, but we weren't aware of that. But either way, apart from that, definitely recommend you guys can come and stay here. They're very friendly, food is good, the beach is nice, and it's just a nice little staycation. So I think we're gonna go and get lunch, and then we're gonna just close out the vlog here. I'm sweating because I'm hot.
I just had.
You match a one, so you stop watching?
No, it's the half time.
Oh, okay. Hakeem is watching a match. Football is life, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We didn't vlog a lot, but because we're really living in the moment, we try to do that, especially when we come to enjoy ourselves and we're celebrating like milestones. So we didn't vlog a lot, but hopefully you guys got to see a little bit of what we got up to, and we will see you in the next vlog, or I will see you in the next vlog, whatever. Bye.